Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in and join the family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and remember the notification bell because that way you'll be reminded every time I upload a video. My name is Jenny and on this channel I create lovely DIYs using mostly items that I find at the Dollar Tree. I try to keep all of my DIYs budget friendly but easy to do. In today's video I am sharing with you a fun summer wreath. I am collaborating with 4 other great crafters to create some fun summer wreaths. I will link in my description box below the channels of the other collaborators, so after you view my video you can go and check them out and see what they came up with. We had to add 4 fun summer items to our wreaths, so if you want to see what I came up with, then keep watching. Well, I'm so excited to be doing this summer wreath because I asked my boys to pick one of the fun items that we had to add to the wreath. So I'll be using one of these wreaths from the Dollar Tree. I have these 3 bunches of florals that I purchased from the Dollar Tree as well that we'll be using today. I picked up this twine as well from the Dollar Tree. This cute little butterfly. I have this cute little sun that my son chose. And I have some of these flip-flops that I'll be using 1 pair of those. And now I'm going to go over the items that I have that's not from the Dollar Tree. Now I picked these flowers up from Walmart and they were on sale for 25 cents a bunch. And now I finally get to use those. I have these wordings that I picked up at Hobby Lobby and I'll just be using one of those. And how cute are these little birds? I picked these up from Hobby Lobby and I think they were like $2. I also will be using one of these little wood plaques and they sell these at the Dollar Tree as well. So what I'm going to do is I am going to get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I am going to paint that wreath using this yellow paint. And I'm also going to paint this little wood piece using this white acrylic paint. And I did purchase my paint at Walmart. Now I'm going to get this painted. Now the reason why I painted this wreath yellow is just because if anything peeked through, you won't see the green, and plus I will not be putting anything on the back, and so it will still look pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to glue my little wood piece right in the middle of the wreath. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to tie this twine. I just grabbed like 3 strings of the twine and I'm just going to tie them around the wreath. I'm going to tie a knot around the wreath on both sides to make like a hoop so it can hang. And then I'm going to cut the excess twine and just glue the rope to the wreath. And so now I have completed that step. I'm now going to go in and just add all of these flowers, and I'm just going to add them all the way around the wreath. And this is how it turned out. These yellow flowers are so cute. And so now I cut my other floral pieces off the bunch, and I'm just going to go in and add these little floral pieces all the way around the wreath. I'm not going in any form, just going to add them around. And so now that I have added all of my floral, this is how it looks so far. I think it looked cute. I'm actually having fun creating a fun wreath. So what I'm going to do now is add my decor. And I'm going to go in with my little sun and I'm going to add it right to the side. And this was my oldest son choice for the fun items. I let both of the boys pick an item. And so he chose this little sun because summer is his favorite season. And so I'm just going to glue that right down and make sure that it's tacked, and that's how that turned out. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the flip-flops. And the flip-flops is one of my favorite items because I love flip-flops. I love the summer, so I can wear my flip-flops. And it came with a little sticker on the back, but I'm just going to pull it off so I can just add my glue. And I'm going to glue that right down. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to go in and I am going to add my word, and I'm just going to choose the word love. I'm going to put it right in between the sun and the flip-flops. And that's how it's looking so far. And what I'm going to do now is my youngest son chose a little bird and he wanted me to find a blue bird. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some glue to the bottom of the bird, and I'm just going to glue him right down to the wreath as if he's sitting on the wreath. And so now I'm going to add my butterfly. I love butterflies. And what I'm going to do is I'm just bending the wires at the top. I'm just going to clip the butterfly right onto the twine, and that way when I hang it, it just will be hanging from the top. And now that I have it clipped on, I am going to hang it up to see how it all looks. I think it looks really cute. I haven't done anything like this in a long time, so this was really fun, and this is how it turned out. I think it's absolutely cute. I love it. I'm so happy that my son chose to do the bird because the blue bird is adorable, and I was just trying to create something really fun and vibrant, and I am so glad I got a chance to use these yellow flowers because I paid 25 cents a bunch, and so I picked up a bunch of them and I finally got a chance to use them, so I'm excited for that. Let me know what you think about this summer fun wreath in the comment box down below. I think it turned out cute and I actually had a lot of fun creating it. So thank you, Sue, for inviting me to collaborate on this. Guys, if you really enjoyed it, please give my video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. I really think this turned out lovely. It's so vibrant, so summerish, and I love the butterfly on top. I love the sun and the little flip-flops as well. This really turned out really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I added a little snippet at the end of this video of our actual birds. My youngest son loves birds, and we have two birds, and their names are Lucy and Sebastian. And so at the end of this video, please continue to watch till the end so you guys can actually see a little snippet of our actual birds. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe.